How to turn off No Caller ID on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Now, scroll down to the very bottom of the page and tap on Apps. Here, scroll through the list to find and tap on Phone. In the phone settings, scroll down to the Calls section and tap on the Show My Caller ID option. This screen allows you to control whether your phone number is displayed to the person you are calling. Simply tap on the toggle switch next to it to turn it off. When disabled, your phone number will not be visible to the recipient. Following these steps, you can easily turn off No Caller ID on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.